What's going on, guys? So today it's gonna be a really good day because I'm about to install some seats in my $600 sc300. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So in the first video I ever uploaded about this car, I showed you these seats here. And as you can see, they've had much better days. And I wasn't really all that worried about it because my initial game plan was find a stock seat. Nobody likes tan interior anyways. They got tons of this stuff they're practically giving away for free, and just throw a stock seat in it. But the seats that I kept looking at, you know, they weren't all that great enough for me to want to put them in this car. So I said, you know, let me see if I can find some better options. So that's what I did. I went ahead and worked out a nice deal with one of my buddies, and we're gonna be installing these seats in. Beautiful, beautiful Sparco seats. Now it's used, but it's gonna make the car look a lot better. And in the last video I uploaded where I installed the LSD in the car, I was trying to do some donuts, and yeah, these seats they're not really all that great for you know, getting sideways. I was kind of sliding around all over the place. So that's what we're working on. All right, so I wanted to kind of show you what I'm going to be using first. Give you a quick close-up of the parts here. I have a planted seat bracket, which is for the sc300 chassis. This is the sliders that came with the seat, the Sparco seat. And I don't really know which seats these are exactly. I'll try to find out and see if I can put it in the description. So I'll keep all these the links for at least the seat brackets and all the hardware that I'm using in the description below. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's assemble this. All right, and just like that, I got the mounts. Seats on the brackets. Everything's looking good. So, right now, it's time to address this. We need to pull these seats out. And I am 100% ready. I got the vacuum over there because I am anticipating a lot of dirt and stuff to be under this nasty seat. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Oh my gosh, that is so heavy. All right, so I finally got the seat out. And just as I said, look at all of that. It's all dirty, nasty, disgusting. No worries, I'm gonna clean this up real nice. I got my vacuum cleaner ready to go. So before I put that seat in, I'm gonna use that shop vac over there and install the seat. Now, one of the things I kind of wanted to point out is that this seat is really heavy. I don't know how much it weighs, but I'm gonna find out right now in a second because I'm gonna step on the scale with this seat, and then I'm gonna step on the scale with that seat, and then we're gonna see how much of a weight savings we have here. All right, so I just got done weighing myself and these chairs, and I'm kind of shocked how heavy these seats are. So first things first, I jumped on a scale. I came in at about 173 even. Now, according to my driver's license, I'm about 5'11". That's my height. According to my Plenty of Fish profile account, I'm 6'1". So yeah, 74-inch reach, you know, you get the deal, right? So yeah, so 173 pounds. When I stepped on a scale with the sc300 seat, that thing is heavy. I clocked in at 242 pounds. So that's a 69-pound difference between me without the seat and me with the sc300 seat. Didn't know those things were that heavy. Then I stepped on the scale with the Sparco seat and I came in at 211 pounds. So that's about 38 pounds, the seat right there by itself. So there's a difference in 30, 31 pounds, roughly. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be saving here. All right, so I got the seat vacuumed. I mean the floor vacuumed, both sides. Cleaned up there, and I'm getting ready to install the seats. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really pumped up about these seats. These seats look amazing. Makes the interior look so much better. I mean, ignore the color scheme for a minute, you know, because it's not tan, you know, it's black and tan, you know. Obviously, if you can get some tan seats, but for what it is, no rips, no tears. Could probably be cleaned up just a little bit. Yeah, and then the way you sit inside of this, let me go ahead and sit inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Right there, man. Right there. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the way this came out. Passenger and driver side came out great. The seat mounts came out great. Everything lined up perfectly, pretty easy. And yeah, best part about this is, what do we say? 62 pound savings, roughly. So hopefully we'll be able to feel it. Now, only thing left to do is drive the car around and do some more donuts. But I think this is gonna hold me in better because I got these bolsters here and here. So should serve its purpose, but I need to finish the rest of the car up and wait for my parts to arrive so that way I can take it around the block and do some more donuts. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up soon. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna wrap it up right here and clean up everything else that I got going on. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have questions, comment below and like the video. Give me some love. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until next time, peace. We about to have a game locked, so baby girl, you know we rock, roll, don't hold it back, just let it drop, then go. Now to my niggas know we rock, roll. We about to have a game locked, so baby girl, you know we rockin' and rollin' to the top where we goin', never stop on my flow.